Good evening, students. Today I am teaching you Module 1 Sustainable Development Goals Continuation Make in India. Make in India is a major national program of the Government of India designed, means planned to facilitate investment, foster innovation, enhance skill development. Enhance means promote, foster means promote, innovation means invention, protect intellectual property, and build best in class manufacturing infrastructure in the country. This scheme was started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014, intended means aimed at to boost the domestic manufacturing sector and also augment means to promote investment into the country. What are the objectives of Make in India campaign? First, to transform means change India into a global design and manufacturing hub. Hub means a center. Second, to introduce new initiatives for the promotion of foreign direct investment. Third, to implement intellectual property rights. Fourth, to develop the nation's manufacturing sector. Fifth, to boost the confidence of investors and manufacturers to build and invest in India. Boost means here the meaning is to increase. Next, sixth, to improve India's rank on the ease of doing business index. Seventh, to eliminate the hassles of laws and regulations in the bureaucratic process of business. Hassles means we can say blockage or obstructions of laws and regulations. Eighth, to promote job creation and innovation in the limits of the country. Ninth, to make government transparent and accountable in its working. 10th, to encourage the avenues of skill development. 11th, to improve the global competitiveness of the Indian manufacturing sector. 12th, to promote the sustainability of growth. Now, target of Make in India scheme. First, to increase growth in the manufacturing sector to 12 to 14% per annum over the medium term. Second, to raise the contribution of the manufacturing sector to 25% of the GDP, gross domestic product, from its current 16%. Third, to create 100 million additional jobs by 2022 in the manufacturing sector. Fourth, to increase domestic value addition and technological depth in the manufacturing sector. Make in India mission logo. The Make in India logo is a lion. It is a lion's silhouette filled with cocks. This symbolizes manufacturing, national pride and strength. This is the logo of Make in India, lion made with cocks. Policy initiatives. First, new infrastructure. Infrastructure is very important for the growth of the economy. The important initiative in this area are as follows. First, the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor is a mega infrastructure project of US $100 billion. Second, to double the network of roads by 2020. Third, setting up of new railway stations for better connectivity. Fifth, Sagarmala project is started to modernize India's ports and waterways. Next, Smart Cities Initiative mission is in progress. Next, aviation industry with a target of becoming third largest by 2030. Second, new design, innovation and research and development. The first, Startup India initiative aimed at promoting innovation and entrepreneurship. Second, intellectual property rights policy reducing the time for examining the patents from 7 years to 18 months by March 2018 and trademarks from 13 months to 1 month. Third, new process. It involved ease of doing business, included the following. A, the process of constituting a company reduced to 1 day instead of 10 days. Second, power connection is provided within 15 days. Third, export and import documents were reduced from 11 to 3 days. Next, validity of industrial license is extended from 3 years to 7 years. Next, GST to be operational by April 2017. Next, permanent residency status to foreign investor for 10 years. Next, fourth, new mindset. Government of India has changed its outlook as facilitator of economic development. It emphasized on a mindset of producing high quality manufactured products. Fifth, other reform measures. First one, online portals for Employees State Insurance Corporation and Employees Provident Fund Organization. Second, investor facilitation cell to guide and assist investors. Next, skill development and training program. The main objective of the Skill India program is to provide adequate training in market relevant skills to over 40 crore youth by 2022. It also aims to create opportunities for the development of talent within the country and improve the overall scope and space for underdeveloped sectors. The main objective of the Skill in India program is to provide adequate training in market relevant skills to over 40 crore youth by 2022. It also aims to create opportunities for the development of talent within the country and to improve the overall scope and space for underdeveloped sectors. What are the features? First one, the emphasis is to skill the youths in such a way so that they get employment and also improve entrepreneurship. Second, it provides training, support and guidance for all occupations that were of traditional type like carpenters, cobblers, welders, blacksmiths, masons, nurses, tailors, weavers, etc. Third, more emphasis will be given on the new areas like real estate, construction, transportation, textile, gem industry, jewelry, designing, banking, tourism and various other sectors where skill development is inadequate or nil. Fourth, the training programs would be on the lines of international level so that the youths of our country cannot only meet the domestic demands but also of other countries like the US, Japan, China, Germany, Russia and those in the West Asia. Fifth, another remarkable feature of the Skill India program would be to create a hallmark called Rural India Skill so as to standardize and certify the training process. Sixth, tailor-made need-based programs would be initiated for specific age groups which can be like language and communication skills, life and positive thinking skills, personality development skills, management skills, behavioral skills, including job and employability skills. Seventh, the course methodology of Skill India would be innovative, which would include games, group discussions, brainstorming sessions, practical experiences, case studies, etc. What are the policy initiatives? The first, the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship was created in November 2014 to drive the Skill India agenda. Second, National Skill Development Mission NSDM was developed to create connection between states in terms of skill training activities. The important policy initiatives were undertaken by NSDM are as follows. First, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, PMKVY. It was a flagship scheme of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship launched in 2015, aimed to benefit 1 crore youth. A total of 19.8 lakh candidates were enrolled, of which 17.93 lakh have been trained and 11.1 lakh candidates were trained. Second, strengthening industrial training institutes under National Skill Development Mission. This scheme envisages upgradation of an existing government ITI in a state. The scheme was approved in December 2014 for a total cost of Indian national rupees 300 crores. The implementation period was for 3 years. More than 1,141 new institutes have been added and 1.73 lakh seats have increased. Third, C. Institutes for Training and Empowering Women. 30% of all the seats are reserved in all government and private ITI courses for women candidates. 5 new regional vocational training institutes for women in skill development were established. Next, National Skills Qualification Framework. It is a competency-based program that organizes all qualification according to a series of levels of knowledge, skill and aptitude. Next, Pradhan Mantri Yuva Yojana, PMYY. This scheme was on education, training and entrepreneurship, started in November 2016. Its main aim is to provide training to over 2 lakh students in 5 years. Next, sector skills councils. These were established to create national occupational standards. 8th, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Kaushal Yojana. It is a placement-linked skill development program for rural youth. Next, National Rural Livelihood Ajivika. It aims at to satisfy the professional aspirations. Aspirations means interest of the rural youth and increase their income. Next, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It guarantees the right to work in rural areas by providing wage employment to unskilled laborers. It is implemented by Gram Panchayats. Now, important MCQs. First, Sustainable Development come into effect on Dash. Answer January 2016. Dash has been given the responsibility of coordinating SDGs in India. NITI Ayog. Third, the vision of Make in India was to make India a Dash. Answer Global Manufacturing Hub. Fourth, the logo of an elegant lion with gear and wheels represents the Dash campaign, Make in India. Fifth, the Make in India had Dash sectors in focus to be promoted, 25 sectors. Sixth, the Dash initiative aimed at promoting an entrepreneurship in India. Answer Startup India. Seventh, the MSD was created in the year Dash. Answer November 2014. Eighth, the PMKVY was launched in Dash. Answer July 2015. Thank you, students.